Hi Bodwell, I'm Jack.
Hi, I'm Alex.
Yo Alex, how is the midterm doing?
It's not bad, pretty good.
Yeah, then let's watch something that can cheer us up.
Let's watch Fiona's baking show.
Let's go.
Welcome back to Baking with Fiona. This week we'll be making banana loaf. That's it for this episode. Come back to the next one.
Wow, it looks so good. I feel so hungry. What do you think?
I think it looks so tasty. Yo, by the way, have you heard that there's a game that was set up by the media team?
Yes, I think it's two truths are lie.
Oh, I have played that game before.
Really?
Nah, that's just a lie.
I knew it.
Let's go to the clip.
Thank you for having me.
Alright, so Duda, would you like to play a game? It's called One Truth and Two Lies. You need to figure out which one is the truth about me.
Sure.
Okay, so first one.
Okay.
I once kicked the current president of my country. Second one, my uncle played in the FIFA World Cup, Germany 2006. And third, I hold 4 passports. Which one is true?
You kicked the president?
Yes, but obviously playing soccer accidentally. This is like 10, 15 years ago, and he was not the president yet.
That's
But yeah,
crazy.
I did.
So, by the way, do you want to play a game?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to say 3 sentences about myself. 2 of them are lies and 1 is true. You have to guess which one is the truth. Yeah? Okay. So, first, I came to Canada when I was 12 years old. I have worked at Disneyland.
Yes.
And I have 2 sisters. So, which one do you think is true?
You have worked in Disneyland.
Yes, that's actually true. How did you guess that, Chloe? It's true.
So I have 2 lies and 1 truth, and you guys need to guess the truth.
Yeah.
So number 1 is, I used to be a Bodwell student, and I graduated in 2021. Number 2 is, I am the youngest boarding advisor here at Bodwell. And number 3 is, during my childhood, I was really good at playing the ballet.
Okay, the second one is true.
Pause.
Yeah.
No.
So you have to guess the lie, right?
The lie or the truth?
It is 2 lies and 1 truth. You have to guess the truth.
Oh,
Second lies?
the second one is the truth. The second one. That you are the youngest. Yes, yeah.
Wait, what's the second one?
That he is the youngest advisor at Bodwell. No, it's him. No, it's him.
Okay.
Yeah.
We
stick with the second one. Okay, is it?
You guys are correct.
Alright, guys, I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, Alex, I have a question for you.
Well, first answer this. 2 lies and 1 truth. First one. I was a valedictorian in my high school, but I tripped when I was given a speech. I have 2 musical albums on Spotify, so technically I'm famous. And once I won a hot dog eating competition.
You have 2 albums on Spotify.
So technically, I'm famous.
Yes.
That is correct.
Wow, it really tricked me. I didn't realize there was a lie.
No, I think it's true.
Yeah, maybe.
Hey guys, so today I am going to be being the food critic today at our local areas. Today we are going to be starting with the bubble tea place where I have got the chicken from that place. From what I know, it smells really good, so let's just get straight into it.
Go ahead.
Alright, so based on what I just tasted, I'm going to have to say that's 100% 5 stars. I'm going to give it all across the board. Had amazing taste, had amazing smell. Heck, it was even amazing in any way. So I'm going to be doing the second piece today, right? It's gonna be our second piece. Anyone excited? Oh wait, yeah, no, this is amazing. Same as last time, but I feel there's a lot of salt. That's all I'm going to say.
A few moments later.
Never mind, I'm gonna say that I was wrong. There's just enough. Thank you very much for watching my opinions on the food in the local area. Thank you so much. By the way, I gotta get back to finishing this chicken. Do you mind? Cut.
Wow, the chicken looks so tasty. Where can we get it?
It's across of the street.
Is it Young Mama?
Yes, that one.
Oh, Young Mama. There are 2 students from our school have made a video about it.
Wow, it sounds interesting. Let's watch the clip.
Hi, I'm Chloe from Bodwell High School. And can I ask some questions about this bubble tea shop?
Yes, I'm Young Mama. I'm the bubble tea shop owner.
What motivated you to start a bubble tea shop?
Because this store is changing to owner. They just closed. I just bought their business. It's not a very easy time.
So what kind of challenges you faced?
The first, I never made the bubble tea, so it's very difficult for me because I never drink the bubble tea. I just call my son. We tried many times. The bubble we have to cook an hour.
How does it feel like to serve to Bodwell students?
Because the student almost every day come my store, and we look at them like our family. They treat me like their grandma, so something like that. When they graduate, we have so many students really come back, bring their wife and husband.
So I will come here after 10 years, 2035.
Welcome.
Yeah. Okay, so what is the most popular flavor in here?
Usually, most students like the brown sugar milk and the Nutella, but the Canadian like the real fruits, the watermelon, mango, and strawberry.
Okay, Taishi, what is your favorite flavor?
Taro with bubble. My favorite flavor is Nutella with bubble.
My favorite flavor is chocolate.
With bubble?
We love you, Mama!
Thank you for you interviewing me, and I'm very happy with the all students. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye, Young Mama.
Yo, Alex.
Yeah?
You want to grab some bubble tea?
Let's go.
Young Mama!